There's one thing that makes any long, or even short car journey, a lot better. The sound system. And one of the most important parts of that system will be the car amplifier. There are a lot of different factors that analyses go into making the perfect decision for best car audio amplify. With so many different car audio amplify on the market, it can be hard to know which one is best for you. If you're looking for the best car audio amplify, you've come to the right place. In this video, our expert team provides an in-depth overview of the top 5 car amplify on the market and helps you decide which one is perfect for you. This video aims to provide the viewer with enough information. Take a few minutes to check out link on description box for each product mentioned. So don't wait, watch our full video. Product number 1. Boss Audio Car Amplifier. The AR1500M car amplifier is a good example of what Boss Audio does. They make a decent, but not the very best, amp, and then set it at an attractive price point. So anyone who is looking to improve the system, or put the first system in, will get good sound performance and an excellent deal. It is well built with its slim, compact shape, and measures 10.3 by 6.5 by 2.8 inches, and weighs 5 pounds. Therefore, it is going to be easy to install without taking up too much space. The build is strong and is designed to withstand overheating problems. Considering its price point, it is a surprisingly powerful amp, pushing out 1100 watts RMS at 2 ohms. It also has some interesting sound controls. It has a high-tech MOSFET power supply. This will allow the amp to move between high and low power easily. Let's return to the sound controls. It offers you a great deal of control over sound settings. Product number 2. Lanzar Amplifier Car Audio. For those looking for budget options for their car audio amps, here is another option from Lanzar. Lanzar specializes in offering budget range products and manufactures a range of amps, speakers, subs, and other audio-related equipment. A welcome feature with this amp is that it is another option that has a compact build. It measures only 12.99 by 8.81 by 2.24 inches and weighs just 5 pounds. The output is rated at 650 watts RMS at 4 ohms, and it includes a booster for the bass if you require it. It has a frequency response of 50 Hz to 250 Hz and an efficient crossover network. The build quality is of quite a high standard, and it has been given some useful features. All the terminals that are screw-down and the connectors for RCA inputs are nickel-plated. This ensures that the connections are good and stable. It also, of course, prevents any rust or corrosion. Product number 3. Planet Audio Monoblock Car Amplifier. Planet Audio is a relative newcomer on the block, established as recently as 1996 in California. They bring good quality products at cost-effective prices. They are not so well known as other manufacturers. So can this amp compete with the others? We shall see. This amp is thought of by many as one of the best budget range amps on the market. It certainly houses some good features. It is a Class A/B amp. Class A is not the most efficient of amps, but it has a high level of sound quality. It will produce 1100 watts to the speakers at 2 ohms. The design includes variable level inputs. This will let you bring in music from various sources. It has MOSFET to improve the quality of the sound that is delivered. Also, a low-pass filter. This effectively will remove any high frequencies away from your subwoofer. Product number 4. Kicker Car Audio Speakers. Kicker is a well-known name in audio circles and usually has something to say with their products. But there are some things you can say about them. First, they are well made with a rugged build. Second, they are usually good value for money. This is a 1 ohm stable until a Class D monoblock amp. Monoblock amps are single-channel amplifiers. They are often preferred by some people because of the extra sound quality and power they can produce. At the price point, this represents good value for money. So it does fit neatly into that tradition of Kicker giving a decent product at a realistic cost. That means it should be easily considered as one of the best car amplifiers you can buy. Product number 5. JL Mono Subwoofer Car Amplifier. JL Audio is recognized as one of the most popular names in car audio systems. They were founded in 1975 and originally were a warehouse repairing speakers. But it was a case of the right place at the right time. The late 70s and early 80s saw a sudden surge in sales and interest in specialized car audio. JL Audio stepped into the arena. They are known especially for their subwoofers, but the amps are also a quality product. This is not a new amp, in fact, it has been around for over 10 years and has remained popular throughout that time. Likewise, it has built a reputation for power and its strong build.
All those products in our listing have been used and tested by our experts team. We made this top product list based on experiences, expert opinion analysis about those products' features, reviews, quality, price and performance. So don't wait, take a few minutes to check out the discount price on description below. If you have any queries, please leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for never miss more great content like this one. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.